Hey, welcome to Auntie Nat's Crochet. As you know in my previous post, or if you don't know, I'll let you know now. In my previous post, I made a rib bag, or some call it a shell bag. It looked like this, with a handle. And so happened I still have one ball of yarn left, so I thought, why not make a pouch to go with this small pouch. So I make sure I measure it. It can goes into this bag. It's not a very big bag, so I just need a small pouch so I can put money or identity card or driving license into the pouch. So the pouch, I'm gonna make it like this too, so that it kind of match my bag. So this is a t-shirt yarn, same pattern. So I have one left and a 6mm hook. So it's just one ball of it, so I don't think the pouch could go very big. It's just a small pouch. So this pattern is just single crochet on the back loop. So now all you do is you make a knot. Okay, you make a knot. This is just my habit of making a knot. If not, you can just fold it and use your hand to pull up a knot. Okay, then you do your foundation chain. Up to you whether you're working on the width of the pouch or the length of the pouch. Yeah, I plan to make a rectangle, fold it in two, sew it, and I'll get a pouch. So I just show you a short part of it, and later I'll show you how the whole pouch look like. I just want it to match my bag, that's all. So let's see, this is the length of your pouch, for example. So first row, I'll be doing single crochet until the end of the row. It's all just single crochet. If so happen your rib bag, you do the bag with half double crochet or double crochet, and do the same for your pouch. At least you have a matching pouch. So first row is just single crochet until the end. The number of stitches is up to you, how long you want the pouch to be. And once you reach the end, this is just one row of single crochet. When you reach the end, chain one, turn the work, and from now on you should start to work only on the back loop. So here you have two loops, the front and the back. This is called the front, this is called the back. So we're gonna use the back loop only and do single crochet only on the back loop. And by the time you reach the end here, by the time you work your way until the end here, chain one, turn your work, and again single crochet on the back loop, and you will get lines like this. So I'll come back to you once I have the rectangle thing and show you how I'm gonna fold it into a pouch. Okay, this is the rectangle that I mentioned. So I'm gonna fold it here. I think this is big enough. This is a small pouch. So when I fold it, I make sure this one is shorter than this one. So it's around here. I think this is enough. I have enough yarn for this. So here I'm going to cut the yarn. And hide it along here. This shit yarn is easy to hide the yarn as it's kind of elastic and tight, so it kind of hold the tail. Hide it along this side because later we're gonna sew here to seal the bag and seal this end as well. Just hide it along this sides here. Okay, this will do, and later when we connect the bag, we're gonna seal this as well. So it's gonna look like this. So when I fold it, the bottom part will look like this, kind of flat. So you make sure you fold on this area and not here like this. Make sure you fold it when there's two bumps there and you make it flat. So here I wanted to fold it this way because I want the middle part to be shorter than this part. So after I fold it, this is shorter, this row onwards. I'm going to just make sure this is the one that you want to face outside. So starting from here, I'm going to make another row. Can you see all this bump coming out? Just take one row of it, pull out a yarn, hide this tail along as you go, not too short, not it will come off. So yeah, and one more thing, if you like, for example here I have 15 stitches every row, so I make sure every row I do have 15 stitches. So you count your number of stitches every row, just in case, if not you will not get a straight line, you will not have it consistent. So I have 15 every row and I fold it this way. So once you fold it this way, make sure this is shorter than this. This is the middle part. I want to make it into two compartments. And here I'm gonna crochet the same thing, single crochet on the bottom side. You can see there's this bump coming out from the back, kind of like the edge. And also you make sure you have the same number of stitches. In my case is 15. I make sure I'll have 15 again. So it's gonna look like this, like an extension on the back. So once you reach the end here, same thing, chain one, turn your work, let me see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, I have 15 stitches, chain 1, turn my work, and again on the back loop, do single crochet again all the way until you create another flap. So once I reach the end, same thing, I'm going to wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you're gonna look like this. So like sorry. So here, this is shorter. So here I'm building another one up here. So once you build this part, you come up here. I'm gonna make a zip here. So this one is lower than this. So I come back to you once I build this side. And this is how the final thing look like. I'm gonna have a flap here in the middle. This one is slightly shorter than these two. So this will be inside and this will be outside, and I'm going to add a zip here. So once I reach the end here, I'm not going to single crochet, it's kind of thick, so I just pull this out and I'm going to sew it with a tapestry needle. I like this pattern because here will automatically turn flat. Okay, so let's see how I should assemble this. I should leave this part here just like this. Oh no, I need to add a zip, so I think I should stitch it together. So fixed rule to this, all I do is I'll just go in and out. Oops, sorry, from here I went in here, the first one, the top one, I went in here and use another one to go in here. Don't pull too tight, give it some space, because here there are gonna be like 3, here is empty, so the top part here, don't pull too tight. Just let it be like this. Later we can do some crisscross thing to make it look like here. Oh wait, let me see. Let's do some crisscross thing here first. Just do some crisscross work here, and it will kind of cover up the hole, because this one is shorter than these two, so there'll be a gap here. So you just do some crisscross work here, just simply, at first it was from here to here and here to here, so you have 2 lines here, so you do some crisscross sewing and it will look like this. It's kind of sealed, So you go back to over this side and continue to stitch it seal. I'm not going to do single crochet all around before I seal it shut. I don't have extra yarn. My yarn is kind of limited. I only have this one ball of yarn left from the previous bag project. So this is all I have. So I just work with what I have. So long it's sealed shut, there's no fixed rules as to how you're gonna sew it. Doesn't really matter so long this hole is sealed. One thing t-shirt yarn is nice to work with because you cannot really see all these stitches. Just go crisscross, and so long there's no hole, your coin won't drop off from the pouch. Like just a crisscross here and there. See, it'll turn out like this. It looks kind of nice though. So I'll just simply sew it on. So you continue with this and do the same here, and I will attach a zip here, and I'll come back to you and see how the whole thing look like. Okay, I have it done. I even add the handmade here, and I've sewed the zip here. I got carried away and forgot to make a video on the zip part. Actually, the zip is this long. I couldn't find any smaller zip, so the zip is actually this long. So this tail, I hide it inside, so it looked like this. The tail is inside, so I hide it right inside, push it to the side, and when you open the pouch or the small wallet, you can see the zip, it's hidden. So when I sew the zip, you open up the zip, leave this tail inside, leave it inside, and open up and sew it like this. You fold this downwards like this, fold it downward and sew it here, between here and here. If you can, go slightly lower. Mine is still not that low. If you can, you go lower. And here, the sides here, I have extra, the sides. I also push it inside the back. It's definitely longer than the wallet, than the pouch. And when I zip, make sure hold on to the part here, and you can zip it properly like this. So when you unzip, you can see there's two compartments here. So now at least I have a matching pouch to go with my bag. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like this pouch as much as I do. And I'll see you in my next post.